Hello people, today I'm going to show you how to build a fully interactive dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Dashboards are the best way to showcase the most important data to your team or organization at a glance. And here's the best part, it's actually really easy to set up. You don't need to know any VBA or coding, and you don't need to install any fancy add-ins. All you need is standard version of Excel. Once we are done, your dashboard will automatically update as new data comes in. I have included a sample spreadsheet in the description so you can follow along with me. Let's jump in. I am here in the Excel with sales data for Seek Cookie Company. To build a dashboard, our data needs to be in a tabular format. This is the secret to making everything work smoothly. Step 1. We need to turn this data into an official Excel table. Click anywhere in your data and press Ctrl+T. Make sure My Table has headers is checked and click OK. Now it looks clean and is ready for analysis. Now let's insert a pivot table. Go to Insert, click Pivot Table and choose a new worksheet. For our dashboard, I want 3 different charts, so I'm going to need 3 pivot tables. Here's a pro tip. Hold the Ctrl key and drag the Sheet tab at the bottom to create 2 copies. Let's rename this first one Profit by Country and Product. On the right, drag Country to rows, Product to columns, and Profit to values. To make it look professional, highlight the numbers, go to the Home tab, and change the format to currency, and remove the decimals. One last thing. Right-click the grand total column and sort largest to smallest. This ensures our most profitable market appears first in our chart. Let's turn this data into a visual. Go to Pivot Table Analyze and click Pivot Chart. For this data, a stacked column chart works perfectly. To clean this up, I'll add a title. Profit by market and also, these field buttons look a bit cluttered. Now it looks much better. Repeat this process for your other 2 sheets. I'm doing units sold per month and profit per month, using line charts to show trends over time. Create a new sheet and name it Dashboard. Copy your charts and paste them here. To get them perfectly aligned, hold down the Alt key while you move or resize them. They will snap exactly to the grid lines. You can also select multiple charts. Go to Shape Format and use the Align tools to make sure everything is perfectly centered and professional. Now for the magic, making it interactive. Click a chart, go to Pivot Chart Analyze and click Insert Slicer. I'll choose Country and Product. I'll also insert a timeline for the date. To make the slicer look like a custom app, right-click them, go to Slicer Settings and uncheck Display Header. Here's a crucial step. Right now, a slicer only controls one chart. To fix this, right-click the slicer, go to Report Connections, and check every pivot table in the list. Now, when you click India, every chart on your dashboard updates instantly. What happens when next month's data arrives? Just paste it at the bottom of your original table. Go back to your dashboard. Click Refresh All. And everything updates automatically. To give it that final app look, go to the View tab and uncheck Grid Lines and Headings. Hide your data sheets by right-clicking the tabs at the bottom. Now it doesn't even look like Excel anymore. And that is how you build a professional interactive dashboard. You can now share this with your team via the share button in the top right corner. Were you able to follow along? Let me know in the comments if this helped you. If you want more Excel tips like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.